How to build a powerful first impression. Hey, this is Harry and welcome to this episode of The Harry Show. Today we're going to talk about first impressions. Now, there's a saying that says that you only get one chance to make a solid, a powerful first impression. An impression that positions you as somebody who's credible, somebody who's trustable, somebody who's likable, somebody that people want to associate with, hang out with, work with on an ongoing basis. So I'm going to dive right in. There are a certain number of strategies that are proven to build a solid, a powerful first impression for you. And if you're in a client-based business, if you're meeting new people on an ongoing basis and you want to associate with, you want to build a solid network, this is a very powerful video for you. So the first strategy to build a powerful first impression is, as cliche as it sounds, is to smile. Now, it's easier for some people as compared to others, but everybody can think about smiling a little more. What does a smile do? It gets people to bring their defenses down. Because when they see somebody smiling, the message it sends out is that this person is not going to harm me. This person is not somebody that I need to defend myself against. And that is powerful because they open themselves up to connect with you, to associate with you, to get to know you. So that's powerful. The second strategy to build a powerful first impression is to listen. Now, when you're meeting somebody new, you want to spend much more time listening than you spend talking. You want to get to know them, you want to ask questions, you want to inquire about their work, their life, what they like to do. And when you do that, that makes people feel good. They like it. And as a result, you position yourself as somebody who's likable, somebody that they want to be around. Now, first impression is the benchmark that I'm using is about 10 minutes. So the impression that they build of you, about you, in the first 10 minutes of meeting you. So smile, listen. Third is a little more advanced, and it's called mirroring. Now, mirroring was one of the first few inventions in human psychology. And what this is based on is the idea that people like people who are like what? Like themselves, right? That's why we see similar people hanging out together. So this is what it's based on. And our brains are actually subconsciously wired to mirror. So for example, if you want to associate with a CEO of your company, and on the other extreme, if you want to associate and become friends with a 5-year-old, what aspects of your behavior do you change? Do you change the tone of your voice? You probably do. You change the topic of the conversation. You change your body language. You change all of these things. Why? Because you're trying to mirror the CEO and you're trying to mirror the kid. And what mirroring is about is being a little more conscious about those things. So if somebody is speaking at a very slow pace, they're speaking slowly, they think a lot before they talk, they are very thoughtful. And you don't want to be talking very fast because that's going to create a lot of distance in between you. That's not going to enable rapport building. And rapport is powerful. Rapport is what you want to build through a powerful first impression. So mirroring. So you want to get aligned with them. You want to talk like them. You want to sit a little bit like them. If somebody is sitting right up and you're leaning back, that doesn't enable rapport building. So you want to mirror them a little bit. Number 4 is you want to use positive language. Positive language. For example, you want to use words that make things look positive. For example, instead of a problem, you want to use the word what? Opportunity. Instead of saying that this cannot move forward until we receive this, you want to say this can move forward when we receive this. Do you see the difference? This is negative language and this is positive language. Problems, opportunity. This cannot happen. This can happen if we achieve that. Smile, listen, mirror. Positive language. The last one is eye contact. Now, eye contact is powerful. Depending on the type of culture that you're coming from, this is associated with honesty, this is associated with confidence, this is associated with conviction, this is associated with interest and engagement. So you want to be making the right eye contact. What's the right eye contact? You want to make it for about 2 to 3 seconds and then break it for a second. So if I'm looking at you right now, I'm making eye contact and I want to look at you for about 2 to 3 seconds and then I'll break it for about a second and then I'll come back. So do you see how that works? Why do you not want to make an extended eye contact for a long time? Because that makes people uncomfortable. So you want to always be looking at what people are comfortable with and then do exactly that, which aligns with the idea of mirroring. Smile, listen, mirror, positive language, and eye contact. If you do these consistently, you'd position yourself as somebody who's credible, likable, trustable, that people want to associate with, and you take your business, your career, your impact to the next level. This is Harry signing off. I'll see you soon. What did you learn from this video? Comment below and let me know. I read every single comment on my videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We already have a lot of videos on our channel. Check the playlist on marketing, sales, communication, leadership, influence, persuasion, all of these skills that'll help you transform the game and raise your career to the next level.